Hello, welcome to Splendor of Knowledge. Today in this video, we are going to focus on the most basic element of geometry, that is point, line segment, ray, line, etc. Parth seems little confused. Let's see what's bothering him.
What is a point?
Point is a dot on a paper. The pointed end point of a needle is a point. Full stop is also a point. When you look at the clear sky in the night, even the stars looks like shiny little points in the sky.
Yeah, I got it. Points are the tiny little dots.
Yes, point determines a location. They help us to describe a specific location.
What is specific location?
Like corner of a shape or endpoints. Now we need to name the points.
But why? Why do we need to name them?
Because when I say, look at that point, it is not clear which point I am talking about. So we need to give names to the points. We use single capital letter like A, B or C to represent a point. These dots will be read as point A, point B, point C. If we take point A and point B and connect them in a straight line, we will get a line segment. We name a line segment by the point it goes through. Here it is going through point A and point B. These points are called its endpoints. Here we have drawn a line segment AB. Also point A and point B are its two endpoints.
Is it a line or line segment?
Good question. It is a line segment. It is line segment AB or BA. A line segment has two endpoints. It starts from one point and ends at the other points. But both the points are called endpoints. Edge of a table, scale or paper are some examples of the line segment. Also we can measure it because it has definite length like 4 cm or 1 meter, etc.
Then what is a line?
Okay, now you know that a line segment has two endpoints and it has definite length. But a line keeps on going forever. For example, number line. You already know what's number line, don't you? It has no definite length, no endpoints, and the arrowhead shows that it extends endlessly in both the directions.
If it goes forever, then how can we draw it?
We cannot draw a line on a paper. So we simply draw a line segment and draw arrows instead of endpoints to show that it is endless.
How do we write name of a line?
We put 2 points on the line and name it. Like you see, it is line PQ. We also call it line QP.
Can we measure the line?
Line has no definite length, so we cannot measure it. We can draw a line like this or like this or like this. It has no definite length, so we can take any length. Do you know what a ray is?
You mean sun rays?
Yes, exactly. Sun rays and X-rays. Like sun rays, ray starts from a point and goes on in one direction forever. It never stops. It keeps on going in the direction of arrow.
How do we measure ray?
Like line, ray also doesn't have any definite length, so we cannot measure it.
How do we write the name of a ray?
We can draw a ray like this or like this or like this. It has no definite length, so we can take any length. We call it ray CD. C is the endpoint and D is any point on the ray. We write it like CD and put an arrow on its head.
Okay. Okay, ray has only one endpoint?
Ray CD tells us the ray starts at point C and goes indefinitely in one direction. We cannot write it like ray DC. We always start from the endpoint. There are many points, lines, rays and line segments hidden around us. Let us play a game and find them. Do you want to play with me?
Yay! Yippee! Hooray! Let us go and play a game.
So this is a night scene. There is a moon, many stars and a hut. Now you have to find points, rays, line segment and line hidden in this scene. So pause the video and count the points, line, rays and line segments. Are you ready? Let us start. Yes, so you have done it. So you find out? Wow, you have counted the points. How many points are there? 22, right, excellent. How many lines are there? Only one, congratulations, very good. How many rays? Yes, very good. 10, well done. How many line segments? 12, excellent. You have done it.
Yay! Yippee! Hooray! Please subscribe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe.
In the next video, we will play another game. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned the basic concepts of geometry. See you next time. Bye bye.